Have you ever wondered why a blue moon isn't actually blue? It's an intriguing question that draws us into the world of celestial mysteries. The term blue moon is a bit of an enigma, a lunar event that doesn't quite match its colorful name. But then again, the universe is full of such delightful paradoxes. This phenomenon, as elusive as it sounds, unfolds in our night sky more often than you might think. So why the misleading name? Well, you're about to find out. Blue moons have two different definitions. This statement may seem puzzling at first, but let's unravel this celestial mystery together. The first definition of a blue moon is quite an old one. It refers to the third full moon in an astronomical season that has 4 full moons. Now you might be wondering, what's an astronomical season? Well, it's the time between solstices and equinoxes. Each season usually has 3 full moons, one each month. But our calendar months and astronomical seasons don't always line up perfectly. Sometimes a season gets an extra or 4th full moon. When this happens, the 3rd full moon is called a blue moon. The second definition, which is more recent and widely used today, refers to the 2nd full moon in a calendar month. Our months, except February, are longer than the lunar cycle, which is about 29.5 days. This discrepancy allows 2 full moons to occasionally squeeze into a single month, and when that happens, the 2nd full moon is bestowed with the title of a blue moon. Now, how did the confusion between these two definitions arise? Well, the mix-up can be traced back to the 1940s. An article in Sky and Telescope magazine misinterpreted the older seasonal definition. The error was repeated in later editions and radio shows, and before long, the 2 full moons in a month meaning had spread far and wide. Despite the mix-up, both definitions are recognized today. So a blue moon isn't about the color, but about the timing. It's a fascinating quirk of our calendar and celestial mechanics, a testament to our enduring fascination with the moon and its phases. Whether it's the 3rd full moon in a season with 4, or the 2nd full moon in a month, each blue moon is a special event, a chance to look up and marvel at the beauty of our natural world. Blue moons are a rare occurrence, hence the phrase, once in a blue moon. Let's dive deeper into the rarity of these celestial events. Under the original definition, a blue moon, the 3rd full moon in a season with 4 full moons, happens approximately once every 2.5 to 3 years. That's because our calendar year is not perfectly synchronized with the lunar year. Every now and then, the lunar cycle sneaks in an extra full moon into a season, gifting us with a blue moon. The modern definition, where a blue moon is the 2nd full moon in a calendar month, also occurs roughly once every 2.5 to 3 years. This is because the lunar cycle is about 29.5 days, just shy of our typical calendar month. Occasionally, the stars align, or rather, the moon does, and we get 2 full moons in 1 month. It's the specialness of these events, the rarity, that makes blue moons so fascinating. The fact that these events don't happen often, yet are predictable, adds an element of anticipation and excitement. It's almost like the universe is throwing us a surprise party, one that we can see coming if we know where to look. So, the next time you hear "once in a blue moon," you'll know exactly how rare that is. Blue moons have a rich history in folklore and tradition. For centuries, they've been a source of wonder and intrigue, sparking imaginations and inspiring countless tales across different cultures. In the West, a blue moon was often associated with rarity and special events. The phrase "once in a blue moon" is a testament to this, signifying something that happens infrequently. In Eastern cultures, the blue moon has been linked to love and romance. Chinese folklore, for instance, tells of a love story between a mortal man and a moon goddess that can only meet during a blue moon, symbolizing longing and unfulfilled desire. Native American tribes, on the other hand, saw the blue moon as a sign of change and transition. For them, it was a time to prepare for the upcoming season and to pay homage to the forces of nature. These traditions and myths have greatly shaped our understanding of blue moons. They've transformed it from a simple lunar event into a symbol of rarity, love, change, and transition. But of course, as we've advanced in our scientific understanding, we've come to realize that blue moons aren't as mystical as they seem. They're simply a product of our lunar calendar not perfectly aligning with our solar calendar. Yet, despite this, the allure of blue moons persists. From mystery to science, blue moons have always fascinated us. Their presence in our night sky continues to inspire awe and curiosity, a testament to their enduring hold on our collective imagination. Now that you know the science behind blue moons, what do you think? Isn't it amazing how much we can learn from a simple shift in our perspective? The next time you gaze up at the night sky and see a full moon, remember the intriguing science and folklore we've shared today. Blue moons aren't just beautiful to behold. They're a wonderful reminder of the cyclical nature of our universe and the many mysteries it holds. And while we can appreciate these celestial events from the comfort of our own homes, there's something truly special about actively seeking out and experiencing a blue moon. So why not make an adventure of it? Whether that means camping out in your backyard or taking a late-night hike, it's an experience you won't soon forget. Perhaps you might even share this newfound knowledge with your friends or family. After all, science becomes even more exciting when shared. Maybe you'll spark a newfound interest in astronomy in someone else. Remember, the night sky is a vast and wondrous place, teeming with mysteries waiting to be discovered. A blue moon is just one of the many astronomical phenomena that make our universe so endlessly fascinating. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating astronomy content. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on blue moons. Until next time, keep looking up.